Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit your travel photos using Outdoor Vibes preset in Adobe Lightroom Mobile. Here are some example photos before and after using this preset. With its less saturated green color, will make your dominant nature looks photos will come to more soft and calm. You can get this preset for free. The link to download this preset is in the description below. But the file is protected by a password. Don't worry, you can get the password inside this video. The password will appear in the top right corner. So, I hope you can find the password while you enjoy the video. So, let's start editing. First, we go to Light. Drop down the contrast to -50. Then drop down to the highlight to -100. Slightly increase the white to +10. And drop down the black to -40. Next, we go to Tone Curve. Make 3 dots in the middle, upper right, and lower left like this. Drag higher for the dot in the right area, then drag lower for the dot in the left area. And drag higher for the dot in the bottom left corner. It will give faded effect for the photo. After that, we move to color. Increase the temperature to +18. Increase the vibrance to +20. And reduce the saturation to -10. Now we go to color mix. We start from red. Set the saturation to -10. And set the luminance to +10. Next, we move to orange. Just bring down the saturation to -10. Now yellow. Set the hue to -60. Reduce the saturation to -60. And luminance to -40. Next, we go to green. Set the hue to +30. Reduce the saturation to -100. And reduce the luminance to -20. After that, we go to aqua. Just reduce the saturation to -70. Next, Blue. Reduce the saturation to -65. And reduce the luminance to -60. For the purple and magenta, set the saturation to -100. Next, we go to Effect. Set the clarity to -10. Days, +10. And Vignette to -10. After that, we move to Detail. Give Sharpening to +40. Now, I'm trying to apply this preset setting to another photo. I'm copied the setting of the preset. Then I paste it. I think this photo feel darker, and not giving some detail of the photo. So, I adjust manually, to increase the shadow, to +61. And increase the exposure, to +0.1. Next photo. The forest. I paste the setting, and it performed well for me. So I didn't change anything. Next photo. A cliff photo. I paste the setting. But it is so dark. So I increase the exposure, to +1.0. Until the photo is good enough. Next, Waterfall. I paste the setting also. I increase the exposure, to +0.6. And the shadow, for +10. Next, compass photo. I paste the setting. I adjust the shadow, to +10. And exposure, to +0.2. Next, a traveler photo. The original photo is too bright. So I'm bringing down the exposure, to -0.6. And it works well. Next, photo. It has same case with photo before. The original photo is too bright. And I bring the exposure down, to -0.6. Next, a Borobudur temple photo. I paste the setting. But I want a cooler look photo. So, I bring the temperature down, to only 10. Next, the famous Padang Island, in East Nusa Tenggara. I paste the setting. And it works well. Last, Padang Island, in Nusa Penida. I paste the setting, and it works well also. That's all. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more editing video, and free preset Lightroom mobile. See you in the next video. Bye.